In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add sub-items in Monday.com step by step. If you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating with a team, sub-items are a powerful way to break large tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create sub-items, organize them properly, and customize them with the columns you need. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go ahead and open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want to add sub-items. This could be a project board, task tracker, marketing plan, or any workflow you're currently using. Sub-items are created inside an existing main item, so you'll need at least one task already set up on your board. Once your board is open, locate the item or task where you want to add sub-items. Move your mouse and hover over that item. On the left side of the item name, you'll see a small arrow. This arrow is what allows you to expand or manage sub-items under that specific task. Click the arrow on the left of the item name. When you click it, the item will expand and reveal the sub-item section. If no sub-items have been created yet, you'll see an option to add a new sub-item. Now, click into the sub-item field where it says something like Add Sub-Item or simply shows a blank row. Start typing the name of your sub-item. For example, if your main task is Launch Website, your sub-items might be Design Homepage, Write Copy, or Test Contact Form. Press Enter after typing the name to save it. You can repeat this process to add as many sub-items as you need. This is especially useful when you want to assign different parts of a task to different team members or track progress at a more detailed level. Next, let's talk about columns. Sub-items can have their own columns, and in many cases, they mirror the structure of your main board. You can add and customize columns specifically for sub-items, depending on what you need to track. For example, you might want to add a status column to track progress, a date column for deadlines, a people column to assign team members, or a numbers column to track budgets or hours. To add required columns, look to the right side of the sub-item section and click the plus icon to add a new column. Choose the column type that fits your workflow. Once added, you can start filling in the details for each sub-item, just like you would with regular items on your board. One important thing to remember is that sub-items help keep your board clean and organized. Instead of creating dozens of separate items, you can group related work under one main task. This makes reporting, tracking, and collaboration much more efficient. You can also collapse the sub-items by clicking the arrow again. This keeps your board visually tidy while still allowing you to expand and review details whenever necessary. And that's it. That's exactly how to add sub-items in Monday.com. Open your board, hover over the item, click the arrow on the left, enter your sub-item, type the name, and add any required columns to customize your workflow. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.